Hello, in this video I will show you how I used Binance Futures trading bot. It's grid bot, but now I use AI recommended grids. So let's get started. If you want to try some bots or just trading, I will leave Binance link in the description. Go to Binance main page, then Futures. Then go to Trading Bots, Futures Grid. After that you have to choose a token you want to trade. I will use DOGSUSDT. Then go to the right side where you have to customize the bot. I select AI tab. And now you just have to select a time period, and depending on that, AI will make all the needed customization, like how many grids and price range. I will use 7 days bot. Don't worry, you can close this bot anytime you want. Alright, I want to invest $100. And choose the leverage, more profit and more risks to lose all of your investment. I don't recommend to set more than X10. I will try to make a bot with X50 leverage. Then I just run the bot, and let's see the results. After 12 hours my bot made $10. There were 40 trades and each trade gives 30 cents. After 2 days my profit is $32. That's 30% for 2 days. That's cool. I would close it right now, but I have to show what will happen next. 3 days after, it's pretty the same result. But look at this, 4 days after starting the bot, my profit is negative, minus $33. That's because the price goes up a lot, and it's breaking up the upper price of the grid bot. So as I said, don't use a big leverage. Alright, the next day my profit goes back to positive. As you can see, the coin price is inside the bot price range. And let's see one more day. My total profit is $66. That's nice result, and now I want to close this bot. As I said, you can do it at any time you want. Click and select close all current positions and confirm this action. That's 65% profit in 6 days. I have to say, this result is really good. At least I haven't lose anything. But I can't guarantee the same result for you. So leave a comment if you want that I test some bot or something else. Thanks for watching.